The accidental invention of the microwave oven.
The microwave oven's story began in 1945, when engineer Percy Spencer stood near a radar magnetron and noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket melting. Recognizing the potential, Spencer developed the first microwave cooking device. This unexpected discovery would eventually revolutionize kitchens around the world, marking the dawn of a new era in home cooking.
From industrial prototype to kitchen essential.
Early microwaves were massive, expensive, and used mainly in commercial settings like restaurants and ships. Over the 1960s and 70s, advances in technology made these ovens smaller, safer, and affordable for households. Manufacturers simplified controls and added features, helping microwaves find their place alongside traditional stoves in everyday kitchens.
How microwaves work. A quick science lesson.
Microwave ovens use high-frequency electromagnetic waves to agitate water molecules in food, generating heat from within. This cooking method is much faster than conventional ovens, which rely on heating surfaces and air. The microwave's unique process allows for everything from reheating leftovers to steaming vegetables in just minutes.
Transforming food preparation and lifestyles.
The rise of the microwave changed how people approached meal preparation. Frozen dinners, popcorn bags, and ready-made meals soared in popularity. Suddenly, busy families and individuals could prepare hot meals with minimal effort and time, contributing to new eating habits and the expansion of the convenience food industry.
Long-term impact and lasting legacy.
Today, the microwave oven is a fixture in most homes worldwide, valued for its speed and convenience. It has shaped modern lifestyles by making cooking accessible, reducing time spent in the kitchen, and fostering innovations in food packaging and recipes. From its accidental beginnings to its pivotal role today, the microwave oven has changed home cooking forever.